Today we're gonna head out, gather some wood to create some biochar, and teach you stuff all along the way. Now enough talking, let's get out!
The first step is obviously collect the wood. Look at that, there's wood. Look at this, it's like a perfect right angle. These two can be used for regular burning. They're a little bit too big for it.
And remember, biochar stays in the soil for thousands of years, so you don't really need to replace it, but you can always add more.
We're gonna switch over to this side now. Look at this nice log. This is almost too good for biochar. Fun thing about pine, they have little dowels in the middle of their things sometimes. We're really starting to make a dent on the amount of wood that was here from the fallen tree. One last piece and then we should be ready to go.
Now that we've already gathered a bunch of wood, I think it's about time for the fun part, making biochar. Now let's learn a few things about how to make biochar. I like using the cone pit method, and using that, the key is in layers. Because as a cone, you add layers of wood on top. And as you add more layers, and you keep it burning,
The fire's really grown tall. It's taller than me now, but we still have so much more wood. We're gonna have to do another burn. Because I think it's about done now. You gotta let it cook through all the layers, then pour water on it. Wow, is it hot. Look at that smoke. Look at that. We're gonna let it steam up some more and then put on another jug of water.